There are lots of databases to choose from the various flavors of SQL to more modern fare that ditch the tables for documents, or perhaps something more exotic. With Linode's simple and reliable managed database offering, we make it easy to deploy a database cluster so you can focus on what's most important, your application. Today, we're going to highlight some of the advantages of a managed MySQL cluster on Linode. Let's get started. First, what is MySQL and how does it differ from other SQL-based databases? Data security. When comparing SQL-based databases, MySQL natively implements TLS, or Transport Layer Security, for its queries. This not only prevents eavesdropping from a third party, but also helps to ensure data integrity. Extreme performance. MySQL supports partial indexes, full-text indexes, and bespoke memory caches to deliver maximum performance from your hardware. Due to this, MySQL is ideal for highly demanding workloads and applications. Scalability. Due to its popularity, open source, and cross-platform nature, MySQL is ideal for big data scenarios. Flexibility. MySQL provides support for transactional processing and provides a flexible base for an application's data storage and retrieval needs. So how can you benefit from a Linode managed MySQL cluster? Secure access. Access to your cluster is tightly controlled. Your cluster has a list of trusted IP addresses which can be managed through the Cloud Manager, API, or CLI. Requests from IPs outside the trusted list are rejected. Easy deployment. Setting up a managed MySQL cluster is simple and can be done quickly and easily using the Cloud Manager, API, or CLI. Flexible plans. Your managed database cluster is built from Linode's and as such is able to be deployed with any of our shared or dedicated Linode instances. Perhaps you need a cluster handling modest traffic, but you need the high availability of a managed cluster, you can use a 1 or 2 GB shared Linode. If you're running a larger instance and need more RAM to speed up access times from hundreds or thousands of requests per second, we have high memory dedicated CPUs for that, up to 512 gigs. You can also choose either 1 node for small instances or 3 for high availability. Free daily backups. Your cluster is backed up once every 24 hours, and those backups are retained for a week. This is a complimentary service to help combat data loss. These backups work just like regular Linode backups, and you can easily restore from them should disaster ever strike. With the high availability of a Linode managed MySQL cluster, our hallmark predictable pricing, complimentary backups, and our unmatched support, we think the choice is simple. Check out the documentation to learn even more about our managed database offerings, and we'll see you next time.